Hello friends, my name is Raza Masood. Today we'll discuss about a topic stakeholder. Friend, today's topic is very important and very interesting with respect to the project management, and we have taken this topic from the PMBOK Project Management Body of Knowledge. And if you are if you are studying project management in university or you are planning to give exam of PMP, so this is a very important topic, and at least 5 to 10 questions will definitely be there in the exam. Either it's a PMP exam, either it's a university level exam of project management related to a stakeholder. So you can understand that how much it is important to understand the concept of a stakeholder to clear the exam of project management, either it's a PMP or either it's a university level exam. Secondly, friend, if you are a professional project manager working in any organization, so as a project manager you have to deal several stakeholders from which are directly or indirectly related to the project. You have to deal with them, and your knowledge, your concept should be very clear and concrete about a stakeholder. This is very important and necessary. So let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well, so that we can discuss about our topic. So let's start. Stakeholder. What does it mean by stakeholder, friend? Stakeholder means, if you just see the term stakeholder, that means a person who has some interest or share in a project. That person is called as stakeholder. Any person who is directly or indirectly related to the project, he has some stake, he has some interest in a project, so that person would be called as a stakeholder here. And this is also very important to understand that this is not necessary a person will always have a positive interest in a project. He may have a negative interest in a project as well. So by definition, a person who has a positive or negative interest in a project, he will be called as a stakeholder. um, Friend, as a project manager, your knowledge, your sense and understanding should be very clear that which person is positively interested in a project and which person is negatively interested in a project. So first of all, we have to understand the difference between positive and negative stakeholder. So first of all, discuss about positive stakeholder. So friend, let's assume that you are a project manager from the vendor side. A bank want to implement a mobile application for fund transfer or IBFT, and as a project manager, the project has been assigned to your organization, and you are the project manager who are going to implement the project. So as a project manager, you have a full interest in a project. You want that project should be completed successfully and should be deployed on project production successfully. You don't want that there should be any issue. You want that each project should be completed successfully. So now friend, you are a positive stakeholder. Another person is there in an organization, in a bank, who has a great complete knowledge about the fund transfer or interbank bank fund transfer. He knows everything. He has a complete knowledge and he knows the process of fund transferring. However, he is nowadays doing this thing manually on paper. So he has a risk in his mind that if that some type of mobile application launched in an on production, so he may lose his job, because all those things which he is working manually, it can be done through the mobile application or software. So may organization think that this person is not required. So due to that reason, he has a fear in his mind, and he doesn't want that such type of project could be should be lived, and he want that this project should be unsuccessful and it should not go on production. So due to that reason, friend, he doesn't want the success of a project. He is interested, he is interested in a project, but he doesn't want that project should be gone live. So due to that reason, we will say that it's a negative stakeholder. He has an interest, he want to know that what things are going on related to project, how things are moving in the project, but he doesn't want that project should be successful. So Friend, there are two types of stakeholder. One is positive and one is negative. The positive stakeholders are those stakeholders which are positive, which want the success of a project, and the negative stakeholders are those which are negative. They don't want the success of a project and they want issues in a project. So friend, as a project manager, whenever we sit in a meeting room and whenever we are conducting the meetings and discussing the things with the stakeholders, so we have to be, our mind should be very clear that which stakeholder is positive and which stakeholder is negative. Because if any person is negative, so he will definitely behave negatively as well. Now friend, we can talk about some key stakeholders in a project. What are those key stakeholders? First of all, the customer is the most important stakeholder of a project. Like take the same example of a bank. Like bank want to implement a project of mobile application, so they are the customer. Bank is the customer. Customer means that he is the person who is providing you the funds, he is providing you the facilities, he is providing you the resources, and all the funding and cost money is coming from the customer. So customer is the most key stakeholder of a project. Why? Because they are the person, they have a business case and they want to implement that project. Then the project manager is the leader of the project manager from customer side or project manager from the vendor side. They both are very important because they are the driving force of a project. They force something, they try to get the things done, and they are the driving force of a project. Project team members also very key stakeholder. For example, software developers, the technical team members, the persons who are arranging the traveling and lodging of a team, the database engineers, the construction team, etc. So the core team members of a project are also very important key stakeholders. Project sponsor normally is a project financer. Financer means the person who is providing the funds for a project. Remember, project sponsor has more than those responsibilities. Now at this moment we can just talk about the project sponsor is a person who is providing you the funds. He is also a very key stakeholder and very important stakeholder of a project. The another one is a steering committee member. Steering committee member means, friend, like the CEO, chief executive officer, CTO, chief technology officer, CIO, chief information officer, CSO, chief security officer. So all those C level chief security chiefs are basically are the type normally generally are the member of the steering committee. So the steering committee members are very important because they are the decision makers. You can think of a members who are sitting and they are the decision making, whether we have to continue the project, either we have to call off the project, either we have to make some decisions in the project, so etc. All those steering committee members, just think of a decision makers, they are well so very important. Executives are also very important. Executive means that, like, just think of executive as the head of the departments, top management. Those are also considered as very important key stakeholders, and those are come under the category of executives. Resource managers are functional managers, like the head of the software division, and like all software developers, software designers reports to him. Head of accounts, head of finance, head of operations. So resource managers are also very important and key stakeholders of a project. Another member are so we have discussed the resource manager as well. So resource manager are the very key stakeholder of a important key stakeholder of a project. So friend, thanks a lot for your time. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for your time. Thank you.